Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use check-in messages on your iPhone. You can easily check-in messages send to your friend or family. Here are the process. Go to shortcuts of your iPhone. Here scroll down and you will find check-in messages. Tap on check-in. Here again tap on check-in and let your friend know you have arrived. You can notify your friend automatically when you get to your destination. So tap on continue. Check-in is allowed to share information about your progress of destination. So you can easily send your friend or family messages to check-in. iPhone will keep up with your progress. If you are not making progress towards your destination, you will be prompted and have 15 minutes to respond. Tap on continue. Here choose the data you would like to share if you don't arrive. If you don't arrive as expected, iPhone will prompt you. If you don't respond, iPhone will notify your friend and share the data you have chosen. Here example, if you have chosen any destination and forwarded to your friend or family, and if you arrived your destination, a message check-in messages will be forwarded to your family and friend. Here three options available: limited or full. Limited option includes prompt location and details, and full location includes all data from your limited plan. So tap on continue. They will be notified when you send the check-in message. You arrived at your destination, you are delayed and do not respond when prompted. So three things it will notify with your friends or family. Tap on send a check-in. If your iPhone is offline, if your iPhone is offline for an extended period of time, it will only notified by your friends. Send a check-in, tap on it. Here check-in, add recipient to send, choose as per your contact list. Choose the contact which you want to send check-in messages, and finally send. Your check-in messages will be sent to your family or selected family or friends, and if your destination is over, it will only notified to your family and friends